ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ 2020ರಂದು ನಡೆದ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ TET ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆಯ ಪೇಪರ್ 2 ಸೈನ್ಸನ್ನು ನಾವು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಲಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಮೊದಲನೇದಾಗಿ ಕ್ಯೂರಿ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕೋಬಾಲ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ 1043 Kelvin, 1394 Kelvin, 631 Kelvin, 893 Kelvin. Here the correct answer is option 2, 1394 Kelvin. ಈ ಚಾರ್ಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ನ ಕ್ಯೂರಿ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರನ್ನು ನೀಡಲಾಗಿದೆ. ಇದು ಅಪ್ರಾಕ್ಸಿಮೇಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸ್ಲೈಟ್ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಇರಬಹುದು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ಅ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಯೂಸಸ್ ಅ ಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಪವರ್ -2 ಡಯಾಪ್ಟರ್. ದ ಐ ಡಿಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ಹಿಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಹೈಪರ್ ಮೆಟ್ರೋಪಿಯಾ ಕಾನ್ವೆಕ್ಸ್ ಲೆನ್ಸ್, ಹೈಪರ್ ಮೆಟ್ರೋಪಿಯಾ ಕಾನ್ಕೇವ್ ಲೆನ್ಸ್, ಮಯೋಪಿಯಾ ಕಾನ್ವೆಕ್ಸ್ ಲೆನ್ಸ್, myopia concave lens. Here the correct answer is option number 4, myopia concave lens. Next one, resistor color code for yellow color is ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ 2, 1, 4 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ 3. ಸೊ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು BB ರಾಯ್ ಆಫ್ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಬ್ರಿಟನ್ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, BBROY ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ 4 ಅಂದರೆ ಯೆಲ್ಲೋ ಕಲರ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಚಾರ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಹೌ ಟು ರೀಡ್ resistor color codes. So colors are given and first digit, second digit and third digit are given. Next comes multiplier. 124th question. Every body continues to be in a state of rest or of uniform motion along a straight line unless acted upon by an external force to act otherwise. This statement is Newton's second law of motion, Newton's first law of motion, universal law of gravitation, Newton's third law of motion. Here the correct answer is option number 2, Newton's first law of motion. Next question. In the given figure, R1 is equal to 10 ohm, R2 is equal to 40 ohm, R3 is equal to 30 ohm, R4 is equal to 20 ohm and R5 is equal to 60 ohm. And a 12-volt battery is connected in this series. The total resistance in this circuit is anta kelidare. So look at this circuit. So here R1 and R2 are in parallel and R3, R4, R5 and R5 are in parallel. So these R1 and R2 are in series with R3, R4 and R5. So first we have to solve these parallel resistances, that is R1 and R2. When we solve this, we will get 1 by Rp1 is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2, that is 1 by R1 1 by 10, 1 by R2 1 by 40. When we solve, we will get 1 by 8, that is 1 by Rp1 is equal to 1 by 8. So similarly 1 by Rp2, that is 1 by R3 plus 1 by R4 plus 1 by R5, that is 1 by 30 plus 1 by 20 plus 1 by 60. So we will be getting 1 by 10 as the answer. So Rp1 and Rp2 value will be 8 and 10. So Rp1 plus Rp2 is equal to 8 plus 10, that is 18 ohm. So since Rp1 and Rp2 are in series, we have to add that. We will be getting 18 ohm. So option 1, 18 ohm ಎನ್ನುವುದು ಸರಿಯಾದ ಉತ್ತರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. So next question. The polarity of induced EMF is such that it tends to produce a current which opposes the change in magnetic flux that produced it. This law is called as Fleming's law, Lenz's law, Bohr's law, Henry's law. Here option 2, Lenz's law is the right answer. Next one. We slip on a rainy day due to inertia, change in momentum, increase in friction, decrease in friction. Option 4, decrease in friction is the right answer. Next one. An object is tracing a circular path of radius 7 cm in its motion as shown in the figure. The displacement and distance traveled by the object to go on one round respectively are. So here we have to find displacement. So displacement is 0 per one complete rotation and distance traveled will be, so circumference is 2 pi r. So 2 into 10 by 7 into 7. So we will be getting 44 centimeter. So 0 and 44 centimeter is the right answer, which is option number 1. Next question. This artificial sweetener has maximum sweetness compared to other sweeteners: saccharin, aspartame, allantoin, sucralose. Here the correct answer is option number 3, allantoin. Next question. Lambda is equal to h by mv, which is equal to h by p. This famous relation is given by Here the correct answer is Louis de Broglie, option number 3. Next one, electronic theory of chemical bonding was developed by. Here the correct answer is option number 1, W. L. Julius Cosell and G. N. Lewis. Next one, milk is an example for sol, gel, foam and emulsion. Here the correct answer is option number 4, emulsion. In this chart, different dispersed phase and dispersing media are given and respective type and examples are given. You can go through these charts which are very important for exams. Next one, polyester among the following is PET, neoprene, buna and nylon 66. Here the correct answer is option number 1, PET. Next one, a number of elements are available in the Earth's crust, but most abundant metallic elements are Al and Cu, Al and Fe, Cu and Ag, Fe and Cu. Here the correct answer is option number 2, Al and Fe. Next question, monomers of dacron are adipic acid and glycerol, ethylene glycol and terephthalic acid and phenol, caprolactam and ethylene glycol. Here the correct answer is option number 2, ethylene glycol and terephthalic acid. Next one, Alexander Fleming discovered the antibiotic penicillin while working on this bacteria. So options are Streptococcus bacteria, Pediococcus bacteria, Leuconostoc bacteria, Staphylococcus bacteria. Here the correct answer is option number 4, Staphylococcus bacteria. Next question, in this figure the tissue which shows rhythmic contraction and relaxation throughout life without undergoing fatigue is. So options are smooth muscle tissue, striated muscle tissue, cardiac muscle tissue, epithelium tissue. Here the correct answer is cardiac muscle tissue. Next question, a peptide bond is formed when the carboxyl group of one amino reacts with another. Options are ketone group, alcohol group, carboxyl group, amino group. Here the correct answer is option number 4, amino group. Next question, the mineral which reduces the storage of cholesterol and helps in synthesis of insulin and enzymes. Options are zinc, phosphorus, iron, calcium. Here the correct answer is option number 1, zinc. Next one, sucrose is a disaccharide made up of glucose plus galactose, glucose plus glucose, glucose plus mannose, glucose plus fructose. Here the option number 4 is the right answer, which is glucose plus fructose. Next question, plants with well differentiated reproductive tissue with that ultimately make seeds phanerogams are. Options Therophyta, Pteridophyte, Thelophyta, Bryophyta, Angiosperms, Pteridophytes, and option number 4, Angiosperms, Gymnosperms, which is right answer. Next question, the leucoplasts which stores proteins in plants are elioplast, amyloplast, chloroplast, aleuroplast. Here the correct answer is option number 4, aleuroplasts. Next question, amino acids are organic compounds containing an amino group and an acidic group as substitutes on the same carbon, hence are called alpha amino acids. They are substituted ethanes, substituted methanes, substituted ethyl group, substituted glycerol. Here the option number 2, substituted methanes are the right answer. Next, 144th question, the validity of propositions and relationships connecting the concepts, correctness of the hierarchical level, the validity of crosslinks, these are all can be used as an assessment device under general writing, reporting, interview, concept mapping. Here the correct answer is option number 4, concept mapping. Next question, laws, principles and concepts when transacted in science classroom through discussion and then followed by laboratory work is inductive laboratory work, deductive laboratory work, field visit, project work. Here the option number 2, deductive laboratory work is the right answer. Next question. This type of questions are useful in evaluating the creativity, innovativeness and imaginative in students. Extended response type, restricted response type, short answer type, open-ended type. Here the option number 4, open-ended type is the right answer. Next question. This type of assessment refers to one student assessing other students. Group assessment, diagnostic assessment, peer assessment, self-assessment. Here the correct answer is option number 3, peer assessment. Next question. The learning indicators which helps to raise critical questions that helps deeper analysis is classification and experimentation, collection and presentation, drawing conclusion, observation and inquiry. Here the option number 4, observation and inquiry is the right answer. Next question. Evaluation is an integral component of a teaching learning process which comprises evaluation, attitudes, objectives assessment evaluation, objectives curriculum evaluation, evaluation assessment objectives. Here the option number 3, objectives curriculum evaluation is the right answer. Next question. Students with scientific temperament use these to understand the realities seen around them to explain the phenomena that they have observed. This refers to hypothesis, principle, concept, theory. Here the option number 2, principle is the right answer. Thank you.